Okay, put one seed in the cup before you feed. Kitty, this one on the other side for that one. Go. Okay, go.
Steal my cup.
Oh. Okay, then one more seed.
Don't steal my cup, you fool. Wow. Amazing eating. It's an eagle. They steal my cup.
Oh, it's got on you. Kitty, stay still. Wait. Oh,
Just got it.
crazy. Oh yeah, got it. Put one more in.
Daddy, put it for me. Put it for me. Hold it.
Yeah, you put in. Just stay still, okay? Stay still. Yeah, put away so they're not too close to you.
Daddy, one more.
No, not yet. Stay there. Why they don't eat?
They're eating.
Just stay there. See, they eat only inside. Just stay. Put in one more.
Nervous.
Kitty, put in one more.
They put it for me.
No, you put in.
Daddy.
You try to eat. See, it saw me. Then take the cup. You put that need new one. Maybe they eat inside thing.
I'm gonna block it.
See, they bite and they twist the เปลือก outside. See.
Can't believe it. It's the first time that I don't cry. Because that time, like the fall come at me, I like. Ah!
Yeah.
Yes, she's eating a bird.
It is stay close.
I hide it.
See, they know people don't hurt them. That's why they get on your shoulder. Someone head, my hand. Kitty, don't go yet. Yeah, just throw it. That's good. Look at behind you. They're eating, see? Kitty, how about put this on the floor?
Oh
You want
yeah.
it? So it come down to the floor. Oh, that's okay. Let's stay on the hand first. Let me take
Does
closer.
that hurt?
No, not hurt. So you can take closer, see? Oh, real close. Kitty, look at the picture. Real close, see? See how close? And they don't know they are on. He doesn't know he's on video. Oh yes, stay like that. So yeah, good. Did he come closer behind the bird? Yeah, like that. Closer behind the bird. Don't do that. They jick the face. Here, look. Oh.
That's a boss.
Yeah,
I thought it's gonna
can
go
you-
eat someone.
No, put on the floor near that bird there. The whole cup.
Daddy.
Okay, inside, can see inside there. Just throw it in.
Throw the whole cup.
Yeah.
Like,
Or just pour it down. Okay, don't see. Okay, put the cup on the floor. Here, put on the floor here at the edge.
yeah,
Yeah.
put it in.
So you can wash your hands. You have
One
some
more.
more?
The only one.
Oh.
I want to save this
You-
for other birds because that one eats so much. Not good.
Oh, the duck.
Wow, oh my god.
The duck.
I never see the duck that close.
You never seen duck too close?
Yeah, like so
How about
close.
ข้าวหน้าเป็ด
That's me, Daddy. You said I so mean. Let me find a pig. Let me find a pig. Oh, Daddy, can duck eat seeds?
No,
No.
it's different food. Did you put it down? Very empty, dirty. Down here. Just put it down.
Why?
It's dirty, the cup dirty.
It's a seed.
Oh, then throw the seed. Throw seed to something. To this one. You wanna get closer? I thought it's all
What
gone.
the heck?
You wanna walk inside? How about this two? This two here.
The chicken even eat seeds.
I don't know.
I think so.
How about this one? Oh yeah, it might. It's a bird. Get closer. Eat the whole cup. Get closer. Put on the floor so you can up. You can see. See, he coming now.
Don't come to me.